Hi, this is Ramachandran from onlinemathforall.com. In our website onlinemathforall.com, students can find video tutorials like this, which will be much useful for them to prepare for competitive exams like GMAT, GRE, CAT, and more. Okay, this video is about solving GMAT math problems part 1. Here we are going to see a math problem which is frequently asked in GMAT. Okay, let us go through the problem that we have on the board. That is, if x to the power 1 over p is equal to y to the power 1 over q is equal to z to the power 1 over r, and x times y times z is equal to 1, find the value of p positive, q positive, r. Actually, we have two information in the given question. One is x to the power 1 over p is equal to y to the power 1 over q is equal to z to the power 1 over r. And the second information is x times y times z is equal to 1. We just have to find the value of p positive, q positive, r. So when students have this kind of problems, math problems in GMAT, so they may think it's a bit difficult to solve, and also they will not know the way of solving this kind of problems in GMAT, because in competitive exams they have to solve this kind of math problems in less than 1 minute. So then only they will be able to give answer for other questions. Okay, I'll show you the way in which the problem we have on the board can be solved. So first I'm going to consider the first information. So that is x to the power 1 over p is equal to y to the power 1 over q is equal to z to the power 1 over r. I'm just going to consider the first information. Okay, now when we consider the first information, these three terms are equal. X to the power 1 over p, y to the power 1 over q, and z to the power 1 over r. All these three are equal. For example, I'm going to consider the value of x to the power 1 over p is 5. So students, please don't confuse how I get the value of 5. Just I assume myself. For example, the value of x to the power 1 over p is 5. Then what will be the value of y to the power 1 over q? The same 5. What is the value of z to the power 1 over r? The same, because all of them are equal. So if we consider the value of x to the power 1 over p is 5, so the same 5 is applicable for y and z, everything. But we are not sure that the value of x to the power 1 over p is 5. So the value of x to the power 1 over p may be anything, 5, 6, 7, something. So now we can assume the value of x to the power 1 over p is k. For example, then what is the value of y to the power 1 over q? K. What is the value of z to the power 1 over r? K. So all these three values will be equal to k. If I assume the value of x to the power 1 over p is equal to k. So now I assume all these three are equal to k. Since all of them are equal, so the value of x to the power 1 over p is equal to k, and y to the power 1 over q is equal to k. The value of z to the power 1 over r is equal to k. Now if I take this 1 over p to the right side of the equation, we have to take reciprocal of the power. So the reciprocal of 1 over p is p. I'll show you on the next step. So x is equal to k to the power 1 over p. Because whenever we take power from left side to right side of the equation, or right side to left side of the equation, we just have to convert the power into its reciprocal. So here on the left side we have the power 1 over p. When we take this power to the right side of the equation, we have to take reciprocal of 1 over p, that is p. The same thing we have to do for this one. So I'm just going to take the power 1 over q to the right side, so it will become q. And here I'm just going to take the power 1 over r on the right side, so k to the power r. So now the value of x is k to the power p, value of y is k to the power q, and the value of z is equal to k to the power r. Now I'm going to consider the second information, that is x times y times z is equal to 1. So x times y times z is equal to 1. Now we know what is the value of x, that is k to the power p. The value of y is k to the power q. The value of z is k to the power r is equal to 1. So okay, I'll show you the next step on the next page, because here I plugged x k to the power p for x, k to the power q for y, k to the power r for z. So because that is what we have received here. Okay, now we have the step k to the power p times k to the power r times k to the power k to the power p k to the power q times k to the power r is equal to 1. Now here three terms are multiplied, k to the power p, k to the power q, k to the power r, and for all the three terms we have the same base, that is k. So whenever we have same bases multiplied, we just have to take only one base and we have to add the powers. P positive, q positive, r is equal to 1. So now the value of k to the power p positive, q positive, r is equal to 1. So the value of this term will be 1 only if you have the power 0, because anything power 0 is equal to 1. For example, you are going to take a to the power 0. So here the base is a, the power is 0. Whenever the power is 0 and the base is any number, its value is 1. The value of x to the power 0 is equal to 1. The value of y to the power 0 is equal to 1, because anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So here we get the value of k to the power p positive, q positive, r is equal to 1. It is possible only if p positive, q positive, r is equal to 0. If it is 0, we'll have k to the power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. So it's very clear, the value of p positive, q positive, r is 0. Only if the value of p positive, q positive, r is equal to 0, the value of k to the power p positive, q positive, r will be equal to 1, because we get the result k to the power p positive, q positive, r is equal to 1. So this result is possible for only p positive, q positive, r is equal to 0. Okay students, I hope you'll be able to understand and you'll be able to do this kind of problems. You'll be able to do this kind of math problems in GMAT. Students, for more videos like this, please visit www.onlinemathforall.com. Thank you.